What's something people don't know about drowsy driving? It's as dangerous as drunk driving. Let's dive into life-saving tips to stay awake behind the wheel. First up, sleep is your best friend. Aim for 9 hours of quality snooze time before hitting the road. If you're running on fumes, consider delaying your drive. Next, take breaks. If you're feeling drowsy, pull over safely, stretch those legs, and get some fresh air. Your body will thank you. Roll down those windows for a blast of fresh air and outside noise. It's a quick and simple trick to keep you alert. Ever heard of commentary driving? Talk to yourself or a passenger about your surroundings. It keeps your brain engaged and awake. Healthy snacks are a game changer. Munch on bananas or nuts for a steady release of energy. And finally, stay hydrated. Dehydration makes you tired, so keep that water bottle handy. Remember, these tips are for emergencies. The best defense? A good night's sleep. Stay safe out there, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Drive safe, everyone. See you next time.